my phonics superheroes and my reading superstars, and welcome to day 17 of my Phonics Boost. Well done you for coming this far. I hope you're seeing a real improvement in your phonics skills and getting that little confidence boost too. But we've still got more to learn. So let's get our phonics brain switched on, our superhero listening ears on, and let's get started. Right, my phonics superheroes and reading superstars, we've got our new focus sounds. I'm going to say them once and I want to hear you. O. Excellent. Now we've done them once, just you. Think you can do it quicker? Excellent. Now we're not going to forget these sounds, nice and quick. Do you think you can do it quicker? I know you can. Excellent. Now I'm going to put these ones with our new focus sounds. Can you do them all together? Are you ready? Excellent. Well done. Right. Now we're going to have a look at these sounds that we were doing even longer ago. You ready? Excellent. I think you can do it quicker. Excellent. Amazing. And what about these ones? I know you can do it quicker. You ready? Excellent. Well done. Now, the sound that we're focusing on today is the f sound. And the f sound is a long sound. Right, let's practice saying it. Excellent. Now we've practiced saying the sound, let's find some objects that use the f sound. Right, my phonics superheroes, in my magic box, I've got some objects that start with the f sound and some that don't. And I need you to help me sort them out. Are we ready? Oh no, I thought this might happen. My box is empty. I think we need some phonics magic to help us. Can you remember our spell? Excellent. We say hocus, pocus, phonics, focus. Let's say it together. I want to hear you joining in. Hocus, pocus, phonics, focus. Let's see if it worked. For you. Right, so I want you to tell me yes if it starts with the f sound or no if it doesn't. Flamingo. Yes. Rabbit. No. Fork. Yes. Rocket. No. Fire. Yes. Ooh, that's a bit hot. Right, I'm going to put these back inside my magic box, and this time we're going to go a little bit quicker. Do you think you can do it? Are we ready? Oh, excellent. Well done. Thank you for helping me sort those out. Now we're going to move on to our oral blending. Right, for our oral blending, we must make sure that our superhero listening ears are turned on. I'm going to sound out each word and I want to hear you say it. Are we ready? Fan. Ox. Fox. Fun. Well done. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words. Right, my reading superstars. For the first time we do our words, I'm going to sound them out, then it's going to be your turn. Are we ready? Fan. Your turn. Fan. Ox. Fox. Your turn. Fox. Fun. Your turn. Fun. Well done. Now we've done them together, just you. Fan. Fox. Fun. Well done. Now are you up for a challenge? I know you are. Our challenge word today is frost. My turn first. Frost. Your turn. Frost. Well done. Your turn again. Frost. Excellent. Now we're going to rewind and look at some words we've looked at over the last couple of days. Now, because we've done these ones, just you. Red. Rat. Excellent. Now this one that you've seen for a couple of times, so let's see if you just know it. Bug. Right, I want you to sound it out. B-U-G. Bug. Just you. Bug. Well done. Now we're moving on to our tricky words, and our new tricky word today is of. My turn. Of. Excellent. Let me see if you can remember our tricky words we've looking at for the last couple of days. We are bee. Excellent. Let's do them together. We are bee. Excellent. Let's put our new word into the pack. Remember, we've got of. Want to hear you. We are bee of. Excellent. Well done on your reading. Right, my phonics superheroes, we're nearly at the end of day 17. Well done you. We're going to go over our focus sounds again, and then we're going to play our little game. Right, I'm going to say them first. Your turn now. Excellent. Do you think you could do it faster? I know you can. Excellent. Right, time for our little game where I take some sounds away. Now, when I show you them, I still want you to be saying the sounds out loud, but looking for that missing sound. Are you ready? Which one was missing? Excellent. Let me see, which one are we going to take away now? Are you ready? Which one was missing? Excellent. And our last one I'm going to take away. I'm going to take this one away. Are you ready? Which one was missing? Excellent. Well done you. Another day completed. You should be feeling very proud of yourself. Give yourself a great big pat on the back. 1, 2, 3. Well done me. Well done, and I can't wait to see you again tomorrow. Bye.